So last time we did something where we were printing out a string and character by character, and we could do that same thing if we wanted to print this character, the string character by character. You could say, you can make a while loop, but we need a variable, an index variable to keep track of our position in the array. So we put this up on the board last time. So we start out at 0. So this is position 0 in the array. This is position 0. And we say while name at position I. Position I is currently 0. While it's not equal to 0, or we could say /0 with quotes around it. Either one will work. Then loop. And we could do serial write name position I. Right. Up until this point in the class, we've used a lot serial.print or serial.println. Look at these functions. Okay. All these functions can take a single parameter. And if we were to use name, we could say serial.print name, or we could say serial.println name. But serial write, it's a little different. So serial print, when you print and you pass it the name without the index, what it's referring to is the memory location in the computer, whatever it may be. 3000, we don't know. It's assigned by the linker when we compile the program. So what this program does is it gets, what the serial.print will do, or serial.println will do, is it will get that address, and it's going to have some code that looks very similar to this. The difference between serial print and serial.println is serial.println basically, you could think of serial.println as a function that does this. I'm going to draw it over here. It does serial.print name, and then serial dot say print carriage return new line. So remember the /r, that's the carriage return ASCII 13, and this is the ASCII 10. So the only difference between these two is it sends these two additional characters, which in our terminal window, when we print something out, it makes it go to the next line. Now, serial write is expecting not an address to a memory location, but a character. So it can take a single character, and that's when we say name with an index, that's a single character. So what it would accept here is like a question mark.